What is up, guys? I am back on these bucket truck buckets. I've got this all ground out. I layered up the top layer here. I put some tape on one side and layered my top layer, so that way I've got a solid piece to form this repair here too. It's got a good, who knows, man, 10 layers of fiber probably to fill that space. And I've gone ahead and ground and filled a couple all the areas that are cracked, you know what I mean, around the edge and here and there. Same thing on the second one, a couple damaged areas around the edge, and I'll just give the whole edge a coat of paint. Got this all ground out and ready for glass. Same thing here. I'm going to glass the outside first. Once that's dry, then I can add a layer of ground. There's definitely still a little bit of broken fiber here, so I'll let that dry, and then I'll grind this area here on the inside and lay probably a layer of fiber inside there. Got this all ground out. There's some broken pieces in there. I gotta pull out with some pliers or something. I can't really get the grinder in there, but I'm gonna bond something, give that a backing with some fiber. Do this one from the inside out, and then add fiber to the outside here. Smooth that out. I'm not gonna go too crazy on the inside. I'll add some color to it. I think that'll be probably fine for these guys. And then this one's also got some structural issue, essentially, because these are where it's bolted on to the truck, and it had a series of cracks all along here and here. So I'm going to go ahead and lay a good couple of layers on there, probably like 5 to 6 layers in this one area, and semi-smooth it out. I'm going to leave it thick, so it's just got that extra support, and I'm pretty sure it will not crack again in these areas. Fortunately, it doesn't go through at all on the bottom there. But so I'm going to do that. Let's go 1, 2, 3 major repairs on this one, and just 1 major repair on this smaller bucket. Tiny little chips everywhere. So that's where I'm at with this. I'm going to go ahead and layer some fiber today. In any case, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't, please do that. If you made it this far, you made it pretty far, go ahead and subscribe. Share this with your buddies, and I'll send you cookies in the mail. No, I'm joking. I'm not going to send you cookies, man, but I appreciate it. You know what I mean? We got a lot of projects going on here, and I try my best to post every day. So thanks again. Subscribe, share with your buddies, like the video. Thanks a lot.